Promising news on efforts to stop the spread of multiple COVID-19 variants. Pfizer now says its vaccine can protect against this mutation. New research by the company suggests its vaccine would successfully fend off multiple COVID-19 strains. NewsNation correspondent Marky Martin joins us live tonight in Dallas with the latest on that. Marky.
Marnie, that Pfizer study offering some really interesting insight into how the vaccine fights off COVID-19 and also which mutations it could work against both now and later. Just last week, the first U.S. case of a COVID mutation reported in Colorado. Since then, cases popping up in states like New York, Georgia, Florida, and Pennsylvania.
This is not unexpected that we would see cases of the variant, and I believe about 50 cases have been seen in the United States.
The first variant case in Texas was reported on Thursday, the same state where a team of researchers has been working in tandem with Pfizer on a study that shows the company's vaccine could be effective in fighting against two variants that originally erupted in the UK and South Africa.
All the vaccine manufacturing companies are looking very closely to see if this particular strain, the vaccine is still effective against that.
In the study that Pfizer shared with NewsNation, the mutation is called N501Y, a slight alteration on part of the spike protein that coats the virus. Researchers believe that alteration is responsible for the variants being so globally contagious. Researchers from the University of Texas Medical Branch in Galveston used blood samples from 20 people who received the Pfizer vaccine. They found that the patient's antibodies from Pfizer successfully fended off the variant virus in lab dishes. Pfizer also releasing an official statement to NewsNation on Friday afternoon, saying that future tweaks to the vaccine, like we see in flu shots, will be feasible. Saying, quote, if the virus mutates such that an update to the vaccine is required to continue to confer protection against COVID-19, we believe that the flexibility of BioNTech's proprietary mRNA vaccine platform is well suited to enable an adjustment to the vaccine. News of the study coming as the U.S. wraps up its first week of Pfizer's double dose. Healthcare workers relieved to officially be fully protected.
We're even more excited than 21 days ago, more hopeful, because these are more people that are getting vaccinated, and that's possibly less patients that I'm treating in the intensive care unit.
And also important to note that as with most findings regarding COVID right now, this study has yet to be peer reviewed. The study also suggesting that the vaccine could fight off against 15 additional mutations that we could see down the line. Reporting live in Dallas tonight, Marky Martin, NewsNation.